So, hello guys, welcome to the Bollywood Talk Show on IWM Buzz. This is your host Shubhajit, and today I have with me somebody I can literally call a living legend in the true sense of the term. मैंने ज़्यादा मराठी content देखा नहीं है because मुझे ज़्यादा समझ में आता है नहीं. लेकिन if there's one person from the Marathi industry who is probably known everywhere in the country, I have seen a few of his serials as well. So I can literally take the name of Swapnil Joshi, the first name that literally comes in my mind. And it is my pleasure and humble honor that he's here today with me on the talk show. So thank you so much, sir, for joining me, first of all.
Thank you, Sunny. You're looking damn good and nice and chilled out. And I think you have a great smile, brother. God bless you.
Thank you so much, sir. Thank you so much. Means a lot coming from you. You know, first of all, before we start anything else, it's a special day. आज मैंने कुछ time पहले देखा आपने teaser share किया. You know, there's an interesting horror flick that's gonna come. I think the name is Buddy, if I'm correct with the pronunciation. Correct me if I'm wrong.
Yeah. The pronunciation is Buddy. In Marathi, there's a alphabet which is pronounced as L. So the Hindi dialect or the Bengali dialect doesn't necessarily have the L pronunciation. So it's Buddy. Buddy, मतलब हम बलि चढ़ाते हैं ना?
जी, बलिदान. That is what.
बलिदान, हाँ. So the Bali. So Bali in this context. Necessarily means the victim. कि किसी की बलि चढ़ती है ना, किसी के लिए किसी की बलि चढ़ती है. So in this context, it means that the victim. So yeah, the film is called Bali.
Yeah, I saw the teaser and छोटा सा teaser था, but then there's some really spine-chilling background score. And I saw the effects and everything. जितना मुझे समझ में आया, as per my limited sense of understanding, मुझे काफी interesting लगा. I'm looking forward to seeing this in Hindi or any other language या फिर what do you call transcribe करके या कुछ भी तरीके से. Looking forward because horror content is something that we all always enjoy, and I think this is the first time that you're doing something in horror in the digital space, especially. Correct?
Yes, absolutely. Yes, for the first time I'm doing something in horror, and it's not going to be in the digital space. I'm very happy and proud that this is going to be one of the first Marathi films to release post-lockdown in theaters.
How sweet.
So we're going to have a theatrical release for this. Obviously, it's going to come on the OTT platform after that.
Yes, later on.
But it's going to be a theatrical release. It's a horror film. And yes, it releases on the 16th of April this year.
Yes. Looking forward to that. But, as you mentioned very correctly, this is one of the first Marathi films that is going to release in the theaters. I'm pretty sure just like you, your fans, the audience, they have always missed because nothing and absolutely nothing beats the experience of, the 70mm screen that you see in front of you. So now that you know that you're a bona fide superstar, आपकी film आ रही है, वो भी horror जो कि आपने पहले कभी किया नहीं है. I'm pretty sure आप confident हो कि लोग, theaters में भर के आने वाले हैं. But what is that one thing that you probably feel कि हाँ, it's gonna work as a unique factor in this one?
See, I think I genuinely feel that the entire 2020 has been a very taxing time for the entire world. सिर्फ आपके और मेरे लिए नहीं, पूरी दुनिया के लिए मतलब वाट लगी थी सबकी. And I think it was so post 2020, I think 2021, everybody is reinventing themselves.
Yes.
So are we, and we are hoping that everybody, and I mean everybody, needs entertainment now more than they ever needed it. Because now you're kickstarting your life, and now आप जिंदगी शुरू कर रहे हैं, and काम शुरू कर रहे हैं, and you're slowly moving to offices, and slowly and एक तरफ हम कह रहे हैं कि second wave is rising, and so it's a very tough situation that we're all going to transition through. And as a situation में अगर you have something to entertain you, something to bring a smile, something to scare you, because I feel डरना भी एक integral emotion है जिंदगी का. There is a very I had heard a very amazing English saying which goes by that the world is only running on two emotions, greed and fear. Every other emotion is only linked to these two basic instinct emotions, which is greed and fear. So fear is that basic an emotion. So I think, and a lot of people get entertained by that emotion. There's a huge audience in the world जो डर से entertain होता है. And we're trying to tap that audience, and we're hoping that that a lot of people will be entertained by that. And like you said, it's a horror film, and horror film तो theater में ही देखने का मजा होता है.
Absolutely.
The spine and the chilling and the yelling and the chillam chilli and all of that. You can never enjoy that experience on a smartphone or an iPad or a laptop. So I think we're very, very fortunate that we'll be able to show it to the audiences in theaters. And for people like you, I'd like to state specifically that like most Marathi films now, इस picture के साथ English subtitles होंगे in every theater across the screen count. So a lot of, because in the last 5 years or so, we've seen a constant trend of more and more non-Maharashtrians coming to consume Marathi content in theaters. And regularly बहुत सारे ऐसे non-Maharashtrian लोग हैं जो आते हैं और मराठी फिल्में consume करते हैं, enjoy करते हैं, and avid viewers हैं. So I think all my films have English subtitles as a basic, and most Marathi films now, like most Bengali films have English subtitles. So तो आप please देखिएगा and मुझे बताइएगा आपको कैसी लगी.
Now I have a small fun segment for you, sir.
Okay.
Basically कुछ काफी very famous Hindi dialogues है. And कुछ नहीं करना, आपको बस बहुत अपने खुद के स्टाइल पे मराठी में उनको ट्रांसलेट करके हमारे दर्शकों को बोलना.
Okay, done.
Super. So let's do it.
Okay, let's do it two way. Okay, let's do it two way. मैं मराठी करता हूँ.
जी.
आप बंगाली में करो.
अरे क्या बात है.
Because I love that language. I think it's a very beautiful language. I think Bengali cinema makes one of the finest content in the country. And Prasenjit Da is a dear friend, and he's like one of the biggest there, and some amazing work that I've seen of him and of a lot of other people. But I think Bengali cinema makes some of the finest content in the country.
Yes. क्या बात है sir. I love your suggestion. So on that note, but start आप ही करोगे because you are the star out here. So you start with Marathi, then I'll continue with Bengali.
Done. Okay.
बड़े बड़े देशों में ऐसी छोटी छोटी बातें होती रहती है सेनोरिटा.
मोठ्या मोठ्या शहरात, मोठ्या मोठ्या देशात अशा छोट्या छोट्या गोष्टी होत असतात सेनोरिटा.
বড় বড় দেশে এরকম ছোট ছোট কথা হতে থাকে সেনोरिटा. Lovely. Okay. So the next one is बाबू मोशाई. जिंदगी बड़ी होनी चाहिए, लंबी नहीं.
अरे भावा, अरे आयुष्य दमदार पाहिजे, लांब लचक नको गड्या.
বাবু মশাই, জীবন বড় হওয়া উচিত, লম্বা নয়. Nice. I'm loving it, sir, because you have kind of included me in this as well. रिश्ते में तो हम तुम्हारे बाप लगते हैं, नाम है शहंशाह.
ए खुळ्या, बापाला अक्कल शिकवायची नाही, बाप लागतोय मी तुझा, कळतंय काय? नाव शहंशाह असतंय, शहंशाह.
সম্পর্কে তো আমি তোমার বাবা হই, আমার নাম शहंशाह.
That sounds amazing in Bengali, yeah.
एक अलग ही वेट लगता है सर उसमें. This is very interesting. I'm very eager to hear this. हम जहाँ खड़े होते हैं, लाइन वहीं से शुरू हो जाती है.
आम्ही जिकडे उभे राहतो, लाईन तिकडनं चालू होते. हाय.
আমি যেখানে দাঁড়ানো শুরু করি, লাইন ওখানেই শুরু হয়ে যায়.
Nice.
Okay. This is a very famous dialogue. तारीख पे तारीख मिलती गई my lord, लेकिन इंसाफ नहीं मिला.
मायला तारीख फक्त तारखा मिळतात हो साहेब, न्याय कधी मिळणार?
I love that Zamaila over that connotation over there in the beginning. It is like तारीख শুধু তারিখই পেয়ে গেলাম my lord, কিন্তু সেরকম ভাবে ইনসাফ পেলাম না. I can't recollect the exact Bengali of insaf at that point of time, so I used insaf.
I think insaf is fair.
Yeah. The second last one, sir. एक बार जो मैंने कमिटमेंट कर दी, उसके बाद तुम्हें अपने आप की भी नहीं सुनता.
एकदा मी शब्द दिला का नाही, त्यानंतर मी स्वतःचा पण ऐकत नसतो.
क्या बात. একবার যদি আমি কথা দিয়ে দিই, এরপরে আমি আমার নিজের কথাও শুনি না.
That's powerful.
Yes, sir. And the last one, sir, before we wrap up. हर टीम में एक गुंडा होता है, और इस टीम का गुंडा मैं हूं.
प्रत्येक संघात एक गुंड असतो, आणि या संघातला गुंड मी आहे.
क्या बात है. सल्यूट सर. लास्ट वन मैं भी थोड़ा बोल देता हूं. সবকটা টিমে একটা করে গুন্ডা থাকে, আর এই টিমের গুন্ডা আমি হলাম। Loved it, sir. I thought it will be very happening with you speaking in Marathi, but it just got bigger and better as you involved me as well. But thank you so much for joining me out here. It was really a pleasure. It was really a pleasure, and I've been seeing your work for a very long time. To be able to interact in this fashion, I just feel that in the very first conversation, I've kind of broken the ice with you. Thank you so much for making me feel comfortable that way. And all the best, sir. Please stay in touch. Looking forward to meeting you in person very soon. And God bless you, sir. Take care of your family. Take care. Stay safe. Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much. All of that to you too. And please catch Bali in theaters from 16th of April.
Absolutely.
And
sir.
please tell me how you like the film.
Absolutely, sir. I'll stay in touch with you from here onwards.
Thank you. Thank you, Sunny. God bless. Thank you.